A rhyming words. A rhyming word is a word that has the same or similar ending sound. For example, cat and hat. Cat and hat are rhyming words because they are both the same ending sound. Let's have more examples. Mat, rat, hat, fat, pat. Another example, day, play,
pay,
way, may, stay. Another example, see, tree,
be,
free, three. One more example. Rain, pain, train, brain, main.
chain.
Those are the rhyming words. Now let's have a short quiz. Their dog jumped over the frog. Which two words in the sentence rhyme? Dog and frog. Let's have another one. The bug is under the rug. Which two words in a sentence rhyme? Bug and rug. Great job!